Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie and today I'm going to be making a gingerbread house with this gingerbread house kit that I got from my friend. And hopefully this gingerbread house will turn out good. Okay, so now it's all finished. We have our gingerbread house with Oreos and all of the other candies and the frosting. So now I'm going to be cutting these little scene setters at the back of the kit that you can attach to your gingerbread house to make it look nicer. So I cut out two scene setters. So I have a Christmas tree and a little elf. So let's put the Christmas tree right here, and we can attach the elf right here. And now our gingerbread house looks a little bit nicer than before. So that is the end of today's video. And I had a lot of fun making this. It was really messy and I thought it was going to be a disaster. disaster, but in the end, it turned out looking like a normal gingerbread house. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!